Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, in our last tutorial, we had talked about uninstallation of local packages. So today we will be discussing about the installation of global packages, how we can install the global packages. So let's say I have a package named as Prisma. So Prisma is actually an ORM, so we can install it as a package. So let's see, like Prisma is a database ORM that will help us to connect from our project to database. So I I always want my project to connect to database, so it's pretty difficult to install these kind of packages again and again. What I will do, what we have to do in that scenario is we can install these kind of packages globally that is available throughout the machine. So these kind of packages are very helpful for global install for like memory optimization and this kind of stuff. Like if we are installing any package one time instead of installing locally in couple of times. So let's move ahead and try to install some package globally named as I will be using the same package what we had discussed in our last video moment. I'll try to install the same package globally. How can I install the same package globally? Sudo npm install movement, and I have to pass a flag minus g. Minus g will tell the compiler, hey compiler, install this hey and package manager npm, please install this package globally. So let's hit enter, and I have to enter the password as well. And as you guys seen, the package is being installed globally. If I go here in my package.json file, as you guys see, there is no entry in package.json file, and there is no moment available in node modules. So that's mean like my package is installed globally. I can move forward and use that package in my project. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.